priority of turning from 0 to 1 million followers International Men's Day daw today. Pero honestly, parang hindi naman tayo deserving minsan, 'di ba? Kasi sa mata ng mundo, brusko ka dapat, bawal ma-emote. Nice, solid expectations. Tapos sasabihan pa tayo na i-celebrate ito. Celebrate? Eh hindi nga tayo marunong mag-express minsan. Pero sige, for once gawin nating real talk Men's Day isn't about papogi. It's about connection, gratitude, at suporta. Yung tatlong bagay na ironically, hirap i-acknowledge ng karamihan sa atin. Iba talaga pag babae yung nagsasabi ng appreciation, no? Pero ayan, lalaki ako, trying my best. Awkward, oo, pero sincere. Even if we mess up a lot, it doesn't mean we don't deserve appreciation. And if no one says it to you today, well, consider this. Happy Men's Day, bro. I hope today you get at least a little respect, love, or recognition as a man. Even if you're alone, keep showing up. Keep rising while lifting others along the way. Be proud of who you are, and lalo na sa kung sino ka nagiging. So ayan, bro, tatay, kuya, Happy Men's Day!